Following the previous technical post about considering the roof pitch, when you put together the connection details for the structural elements that you need to height them within the roof space, also you need to consider the roof pitch in your computations. How? Well, when you have a look at this real life photo here, this is the roof, right? And then you've got an opening below, right? And you can see a little bit of this element here. Now let's have a closer look at that element from a different view. So that's a closer view of that element. So as you can see, this is a steel beam, right? And the steel beam is landing on a lintel here. Now the steel beam, because of the roof pitch here, has to be chamfered or not, right? Now the thing is, you do your computations and the steel beam itself works, but then you need further computations to look into the loss of capacity of the steel beam at the end, because you had to provide a hunch, notch, or chamfer at the end of this steel beam, for instance, or it could be also a timber, to hide that beam within the roof space. Now, how can you find that out when you're working on a design? Well, when you're working on a design, you can find that out by looking at architectural elevations and section views, especially section views. So you'll be able to find out how much room you have available here and how much the hunch would be, and then put the computations together accordingly.